For the outside of the building, we decided to go with native cedar cladding. It's rough sawn 6x1, and we do it in an open jointed way. And if you have open joints, I'll want a black background and an insect protection. So I used the Solitex Fronta Quattro membrane from Proclima. It's a pure black membrane with no writing, so you won't see any color difference in the open joints. And it's also a membrane with enhanced UV protection, so it's no problem that you get UV light or sun hitting the membrane at the joints between the two boards. So that's really the main purpose of the Quattro here, is the black background for the gaps and insect protection, so that you don't get any insects in behind the boards or going through the gaps and building nests or something. Yeah, that's going to be the finish. It's a mock-up for now, so it might look a little different, not fully decided on the width of the gap, but I could go easily to 30 mil here, no problem, probably even more.